Hello, so this is a short demo to show the precise execution mode of the RIM software working. As the website shows, there's 4 different modes that RIM operates under to meet different needs of the user. And precise execution mode is particularly useful for troubleshooting and doing very specific motions that might be more difficult in other modes. To make sure that you have this mode selected, on the UI under current mode it should say precise execution mode. If that's not the case, then you can select the mode through the drop down menu of mode select. And once you've selected this mode, you'll have this series of input boxes here. And the way this mode works is you can pick a specific joint and move it a specific desired distance in degrees. You can also do steps too, but for now I'll be using degrees. And for example, I can put in 150 degrees on motor 1, and let's move it. And you can see the robot will move 150 degrees around that joint. Now to reverse the direction, you just put a negative sign and it'll go the opposite direction, like so. And yeah, so this mode has been particularly useful for our team to troubleshoot problems throughout the project and test or isolate what we're testing. And another useful feature of it is we can actually move multiple motors at the same time. So like, let's say we want to move that joint 1 180 degrees, but we also want to bring joint 2 down so that the main arm is close to parallel to the ground. So we'll go about 80 degrees down there. And then let's say we want to move 3 up like 90 degrees. So it's at a right corner. And then we want to rotate forward 20 degrees. So when I click start, all those motors will execute those commands and move that amount of degrees, as seen. And then the UI shows green boxes for the motors that are still moving. So motor 2 is just finishing up there and it's done. So yellow means the motors are connected, green means they're moving. And so yeah, that's how this mode works.